This is a hard level advanced math involving equivalent expressions. So the question is, which of the following is equivalent to this given expression right here? We can approach this question in two different ways. One is to simplify the given expression by factoring out the GCF and then simplify. However, if you start by expanding, you could get stuck and could take a long time. If you are unsure or intimidated by the given expression, best way is to use Desmos. So before we start, I want to point out that the graphs of the equivalent expressions would be the same. They lie on top of each other and will have infinite solutions. So first we'll have to graph the given expression, and then we start graphing the answer choices and see which one of those will have the same graph, matching graph as the given expression. Okay, so I have the Desmos screen up here and I'm going to show you how we can solve this in under a minute. So first we are going to type in the given equation, given expression, which is 100 times 1 plus x over 100 to its second power minus 100 times 1 plus x over 100. Okay, so we got the graph in this green line. And next we are going to graph all these answer choices until we get a graph which is same as or which lies on top of this green line. Okay, so our first answer choice is x over 100. So just type in x over 100. Well, that's a purple color graph, which is not the same as our given expression. So now let's move on to our second one, or I can just delete this and write the second one right here. X squared divided by 100, which is again not matching graph. So I'm going to just take that off and put the third graph right here so we don't end up having too many graphs. So the second one is 100 plus x. Okay, so I'm going to put that in parentheses because that is one term. And then divided by 100. Okay, which is a straight line and which is again not the matching graph. Now let me write down our fourth answer choice, which is x times 1 plus x over 100. There you go. There you go. You got the same exact matching graph. They're on top of each other, giving infinite number of solutions. So our equivalent expressions to the given expression is our answer choice D, which is x times 1 plus x over 100.